Hello everyone, welcome to the English Chatcast. I'm Ben, and I'm here with my co-host, Anna.
Hi there, I'm Anna, and we're so excited you're here.
Before we jump into our practice today, please take a quick second to like this video and subscribe to the English Chatcast channel.
That simple click is incredibly important because it tells the YouTube algorithm that our lessons are valuable. It helps our free English resources reach thousands of other language learners around the globe who really need them.
Your support keeps this channel going every single week, so please hit subscribe right now.
We appreciate you so much.
Let's jump right into today's lesson.
Today, we are doing a brand new shadowing session. Shadowing is an amazing technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say. It trains your mouth muscles and your brain to use proper pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm.
It's the absolute fastest way to sound natural. You're going to hear each phrase or sentence twice, and you should repeat the phrase or sentence you heard while following the captions on the screen.
We prepared 3 sets of exercises for you today to practice talking about yourself, your family, and your career. The first set is easy, the second is more difficult, and the third is advanced.
Hi, I enjoy planting spring flowers. I enjoy planting spring flowers.
My sister writes beautiful poetry. My sister writes beautiful poetry.
We bake fresh chocolate muffins. We bake fresh chocolate muffins.
I work in modern architecture. I work in modern architecture.
He drives a reliable hybrid. He drives a reliable hybrid.
My uncle repairs vintage watches. My uncle repairs vintage watches.
I need a desk calendar. I need a desk calendar.
She takes weekly voice lessons. She takes weekly voice lessons.
I walk to dinner downtown. I walk to dinner downtown.
We have 4 energetic rabbits. We have 4 energetic rabbits.
Great job, everyone. That's the end of the first set. Remember to project your voice confidently into the room and focus on the rhythm. Please don't worry about stumbling over a word while you are practicing.
That's excellent advice. Now we move into the second set. These sentences will be a little more difficult. They're slightly longer and contain more descriptive words regarding daily routines, hobbies, and professional goals. Keep up the great work. I am updating my resume for a promotion. I am updating my resume for a promotion.
My older cousin is studying to become a teacher.
My older cousin is studying to become a teacher.
We usually host game nights on Saturday evenings. We usually host game nights on Saturday evenings.
I recently joined a theater to improve acting. I recently joined a theater to improve acting.
Finding an affordable apartment in this neighborhood is challenging.
Finding an affordable apartment in this neighborhood is challenging.
He enjoys listening to audiobooks during his morning commute. He enjoys listening to audiobooks during his morning commute.
My parents are planning a summer vacation to Hawaii.
My parents are planning a summer vacation to Hawaii.
I sincerely want to expand my freelance design business. I sincerely want to expand my freelance design business.
We always visit the botanical gardens when spring arrives. We always visit the botanical gardens when spring arrives.
She upgraded her tablet for digital art portfolios. She upgraded her tablet for digital art portfolios.
Fantastic work on that second set. You're doing amazing. Your pronunciation is going to sound incredibly natural if you keep practicing just like this. Stay focused and keep your energy high.
Now we are ready for our final set. This third set is going to be much more advanced. The sentences are quite long and use complex vocabulary to discuss professional growth, family dynamics, and personal development. Take a deep breath, read the captions closely, and repeat after us. Implementing expansion strategies requires meticulous forecasting and adaptable daily management. Implementing expansion strategies requires meticulous forecasting and adaptable daily management.
Upgrading our internal payroll software improved accounting accuracy during tax season. Upgrading our internal payroll software improved accounting accuracy during tax season.
Balancing the intense demands of an engineering degree with personal obligations is difficult. Balancing the intense demands of an engineering degree with personal obligations is difficult.
My mentor secured a prestigious fellowship to conduct renewable agriculture research. My mentor secured a prestigious fellowship to conduct renewable agriculture research.
Cultivating a diverse professional network is essential for unlocking exclusive industry opportunities. Cultivating a diverse professional network is essential for unlocking exclusive industry opportunities.
I am organizing community workshops, providing crucial resources for local immigrant families. I am organizing community workshops, providing crucial resources for local immigrant families.
Analyzing shifting global real estate trends serves as the basis for investment portfolios. Analyzing shifting global real estate trends serves as the basis for investment portfolios.
Orchestrating a corporate transition demands strict logistical oversight and empathetic executive leadership. Orchestrating a corporate transition demands strict logistical oversight and empathetic executive leadership.
I am researching emerging renewable technologies to strategically optimize our manufacturing workflows. I am researching emerging renewable technologies to strategically optimize our manufacturing workflows.
Participating in rigorous leadership seminars ensures my project management methodologies remain effective. Participating in rigorous leadership seminars ensures my project management methodologies remain effective.
Outstanding job, everyone. You conquered the advanced set today. We know that required a tremendous amount of focus, and we're incredibly proud of your dedication to improving your spoken English.
We highly recommend saving this video and coming back to it a few times this week. Consistent repetition is truly the secret key to mastering a new language.
Thank you all so much for joining us for another highly productive episode of the English Chatcast.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and remember that learning English with us is a piece of cake. See you next time.